Are you ready to grow your own herbs? This is a beginner's guide to growing herbs indoors. Level 1. Beginner Basics. Choosing and starting your herbs. It's all about getting started quickly and with confidence. Start with forgiving herbs that are hard to kill, like basil, mint, chives, and parsley. They grow fast, bounce back from mistakes, and don't need a huge space. Decide whether to start from seed or by starter plants. Seeds are cheaper and give you more variety, but starter plants give you instant gratification. Use a quality potting mix, not garden soil, and always choose pots with drainage holes. Herbs hate having wet feet. Place your pots by a window where they'll get at least 6 hours of direct sunlight a day, or set up a simple grow light indoors. Keep the soil evenly moist, not soggy. You'll have your first harvest in just a few weeks. I'm going to show you exactly how to make an herb garden that's not only delicious and fragrant, but also fits in any space. Whether you've got a balcony, backyard, or just a sunny windowsill, we're going to get you started. We're going to take you from beginner basics to pro-level techniques in 4 simple steps. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start, grow, and harvest herbs like a seasoned gardener. You'll also learn how to keep them producing all year long. So get ready to dig in. I'm going to teach you everything I know about growing amazing herbs. Let's get started. Can you see how perlite is added to the soil mix? It helps with drainage. Soil mixed with compost and perlite is ideal for growing herbs. Watering at the base of the plant is important. The top inch of soil should feel dry before watering. And water at the base of the plant, not over the leaves, because wet leaves can lead to diseases. It's time for my favorite part, pruning. Before the basil flowers, pinch off the tops with your fingers. This will keep the plant bushy and encourage more growth. Mint is another herb that needs regular harvesting. If you don't harvest mint often, it will become leggy and unattractive. Finally, chives. Just cut them right down to an inch above the soil with a sharp pair of scissors. They will regrow quickly and provide lots of flavor for your dishes. So remember, the more you harvest your herbs, the more they will give back. At level 3, we start thinking strategically. We know that basil loves tomatoes, so we plant it right next to our tomato plants. We also know that chives keep carrot flies away from carrots, so we plant chives right next to our carrots. If we want to have herbs year-round, we can grow them indoors under a sunny window, or with these simple LED grow lights. Just make sure you rotate your pots from the hot deck into a shaded area during the summer months, so they don't get too stressed out. This way we can enjoy our herbs for a longer period of time. And it's also a good idea to move your pots away from the edge of the deck, so you don't lose your plants to a hungry deer. So remember, smart placement equals healthier plants and longer harvest seasons. This is what a professional herb garden looks like. And you can achieve this level of herb mastery in 3 easy steps. Step 1, propagation. This is how you take cuttings from basil or mint, pop them in water, and in a few days you'll see roots forming. You can then plant these rooted cuttings in your garden or in pots. And don't forget to bury them deeply. Step 2, preservation. Dry woody herbs like thyme by hanging them in bundles upside down. This will keep their shape and color for a long time. You can also chop up fresh herbs and freeze them in an ice cube tray with olive oil. This is a great way to preserve the flavor of summer and add some punch to your winter cooking. Step 3, succession planting. This is the key to having an abundant harvest of fresh herbs. So new seeds every few weeks, so you always have something coming in. Small pots are great for starting seeds, but be sure to harden off your seedlings before transplanting them into the garden. There you have it, pro-level herb gardening in a nutshell. Give it a try and let us know how it goes. This is what my herb garden looks like after 1 year. Can you believe that? From the first basil plant in the spring, all the way to this beautiful herb shelf overflowing with fresh parsley, mint, oregano, and thyme. It's been a wild ride. And if you want to take your own herb gardening to the next level, here are 5 steps you can take. Step 1, start with 1 plant. Just 1 single basil plant will give you enough herbs to make pesto, which you can then freeze and use all winter long. 2, get creative with containers. Use what you have. Use old milk cartons, yogurt containers, even toilet paper rolls. 3, choose the right herbs. Oregano, thyme, sage, rosemary, and lavender are all great choices for beginner herb gardeners. 4, water when the soil is dry. Just like any other plant, herbs need water to survive. 5. Sprinkle them into your food. Fresh herbs add so much flavor to your cooking. When you grow your own, you'll never want to buy them prepackaged ever again. Drop a comment with your favorite herb to grow, and let's grow something delicious together. And if you want more gardening tips like this, subscribe and check out my other videos. They'll help you take your garden from soil to skillet. Follow us for more tips and tricks to level up your herb game.